How to recover deleted posts on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right you will find this settings icon. Click on it. With that you will land to the settings and privacy page. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Now scroll down. You will see this section for your information. Under that, you will find the option of download your information. Open that option. Click on the option request a download. Now select the option select types of information. Over here, you're gonna find different activities of your Facebook. Select the option of post. After you select the post, click on the option next. From this page, you will be able to select format, media quality and date range. Firstly, you can head towards the option of format. You can set it to HTML or JSON. Likewise, you can select the media quality. You can set it to high, medium or low. Now open this option date range. Set date range according to from where you want to recover deleted post. After you set it, click on save. Now click on submit request. Now you have to wait for 24 hours and come to the same page. And in this page, you will find the file where you can find all the deleted posts. So this is how you can recover deleted posts on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.